Zhipu Honor Ceramic Company is one of the most professional tile supplier in China. We ensure stable quality based on advanced equipment and a strong QC team in factory. Large-scale production cuts our cost and makes price competitive. Customer first and honesty is the best policy is our principle. With high-quality products, professional export service, and honesty business attitude, we enjoy good reputation over 50 markets all over the world. We are specialized in the tiles industry in China. Our main products include wall tiles, full polished floor tiles, rustic tiles, and decors. We regularly develop new designs every 2 months to keep our new products competitive in market. We have rich experience in OEM service by offering customers unique design, logo, and packing. We are apply strict control to products quality. We do raw material tracking when suppliers deliver materials to our factory to ensure stable quality at the very beginning. Color difference tracking, size difference, flatness tracking is necessary steps during each mass production. Package checking is the last step before loading. We ensure every carton and every pallet is packed well and placed properly in container to avoid package. And our logistics partner is professional with 12 years cooperation, with 15 years export experience. We enjoy good reputation in global market more than 50 areas such as Eastern Asia, Southern Asia, USA, Middle East, North Africa, North America, Australia, South America, South Africa, and so on. Looking forward to cooperate with you in future.